Sir, your name?
My name is Hemant Sharma. I am Vice Chairperson for Business Software Alliance India Committee. This is a non-profit organization with its headquarters in Washington and presence in almost 80 countries, which represents, predominantly interest of the software countries around the companies around the world, including in India and internationally. So I came to this forum in my capacity as the Vice Chairman of BSA India, actually.
Sir, how was your experience at Security 2012?
Wonderful. You know, I kind of had to attend one session around the national security and ICT, but I came a little earlier to attend a couple of other sessions also. You know, so the good part is the tone of the session was pretty consistent. You know, everybody thought that security is important. Everybody thought that technology is going to be very critical, you know, in ensuring that we kind of protect our border and people and property. And at the same time, the most enlightening thing was that the government is putting so much effort towards that with its Ministry of Home Affairs and some of the state governments. I think the only thing now we will have to ensure is that we as the industry, we as some of the experts who have expertise in technology, that we provide all those tools and technologies to the government, and at the same time impart training to the resources, you know, who are the people responsible on the ground, safety and security of the people. So the best thing is that, you know, some of these sessions sometimes go haywire, right? You know, people tend to talk in different mood and senses, but it was a very consistent message that security is important. Enforcement agencies are doing their bit, but what is the underlying message is that technology is going to play a very critical role. So I was very, very glad that people kind of were speaking in the same tone, actually. Yeah.
So what are your expectations from next year Security 2013?
Next year Security 2001, you know, one thing I'm definitely looking forward to is that when the enforcement agencies who represent the government interest in these forums, when they come up, you know, they have something to talk about the technology upgradation they have done, you know, how their resources have got trained, how they are kind of now pairing or, you know, being at par with some of the other jurisdiction of the developed countries, you know, where the crime has been curbed because of simple use of technology. So hopefully we come to know and, you know, hear a lot of success stories from the government itself, that how things have improved over a period of time. And I still do not take away the fact that it's not just the enforcement agency, but the technology company and the people who develop technology who have to play this role. So I'm hoping that we hear a lot of success stories next year sometimes.
Thank you, sir.